Early morning meditation while listening to music can have a profound impact on brain stimulation and promoting a healthy lifestyle. Scientific research has shown that listening to music during meditation can enhance cognitive function, improve focus, reduce stress, and contribute to overall well-being. One study published in the Journal of Neuroscience found that listening to music can activate regions of the brain associated with memory, attention, and emotional processing. This can be especially beneficial during meditation, as it can help individuals achieve a state of relaxation and heightened awareness. Dr. Sarah Lazar, a neuroscientist at Harvard Medical School, has conducted research on the effects of meditation on the brain. She explains, meditation can change the structure of the brain, increasing gray matter density in areas associated with memory, empathy, and stress regulation. By combining meditation with music, individuals can potentially enhance these cognitive benefits even further. Personal anecdotes from individuals who practice morning meditation with music also highlight its positive effects. Many report feeling more focused, energized, and emotionally balanced throughout the day. Music can serve as a powerful tool to help individuals connect with their inner selves and achieve a sense of calm and clarity. To incorporate morning meditation with music into your daily routine, start by setting aside a few minutes each morning to sit quietly and focus on your breath. Choose music that resonates with you and helps you relax and center yourself. Experiment with different genres and styles to find what works best for you. As you listen to the music, allow your mind to quiet and your thoughts to gently drift away. Focus on the present moment, letting go of any stress or distractions. Pay attention to the sensations in your body and the rhythm of your breath. By incorporating morning meditation into your daily routine, you can reap the countless benefits that this practice has to offer. Whether you're looking to improve your focus, reduce stress, or simply enhance your overall well-being, meditation can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals.